Most of these parts were printed with draft settings, meaning really big layer lines and even big nozzles on a lot of them, so that I could print things quick while I was prototyping. So they're going to require a lot of body work. After the body filler comes a filler primer, and then once everything's nice and smooth, the color can go on. I wasn't as done with wiring as I thought. Still have over 50 LEDs to wire in. I didn't want to bore you with all the wiring, but here's a quick clip. I solder in a bunch of resistors and then all the power lines, and this gets repeated throughout the whole truck for all of the lights.